वेलकम यू ऑल। आज हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे सेकंड वीडियो लेक्चर ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट, मेडिकल असिस्टेंट, थिएटर असिस्टेंट, एनेस्थीसिस्ट असिस्टेंट एंड CSSD असिस्टेंट। इससे पहले कि हम कंटिन्यू करें, बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स ने पूछा था रिगार्डिंग बुक्स, सोर्स मटेरियल। इसके लिए मैंने ऑलरेडी 2 वीडियोस प्रोवाइड किए हैं विच आर अवेलेबल ऑन एक्वा कॉर्नर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 है द सीरियस एंड एक्सटेंडेड नेचर ऑफ अनकॉन्शियसनेस इज टर्म्ड एज ए पार्ट सीजर्स, बी कोमा, सी फैंटिंग, डी कंफ्यूजन। इसका आंसर है कोमा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 द कॉमनली यूज्ड मेथड ऑफ स्टरलाइजेशन इन डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स इज ए पार्ट फ्रीजिंग, बी रेडिएशन, सी क्रायोप्रिजर्वेशन, डी पैस्चराइजेशन। इसका आंसर है डी पैस्चराइजेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 Which one of the following is commonly used to clamp blood vessels? A part है बाउल, स्टेपलर, B part है बीपकॉक फोर्सिप्स, C part है एलिस फोर्सिप्स, D part है आर्टरी फोर्सिप्स। इसका आंसर है D part आर्टरी फोर्सिप्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54 The infection occurred while in a hospital is termed as A part है hospital acquired allergy, B part है epidemic, सी पार्ट है नोसोकोमल इन्फेक्शन, डी पार्ट है पेंडेमिक आउटब्रेक। इसका आंसर है सी पार्ट नोसोकोमल इन्फेक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग कंडीशंस इज काज्ड बाय द डिफिशियंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए पार्ट है स्कर्वी, बी कलर ब्लाइंडनेस, सी हाइपरकेराटोसिस, डी ऑस्टियोपायरोसिस। इसका आंसर है सी पार्ट हाइपरकेराटोसिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56 Identify the primary metabolizing organ in a human body. A. Spleen, B. Liver, C. Gallbladder, D. Small intestine. इसका आंसर है B part liver. Question number 57. Which one of the following is a lab method of artificial respiration? A है Sylvester's method, B है Holger-Nielsen's method, C है Howard's method, D है continuous insufflation method. इसका आंसर है D part continuous insufflation method. Question number 58. The first directive of health education is to inform people or disseminate scientific knowledge about A part है taking preventive measures against contagious diseases, B part है importance of having a balanced diet, C part है prevention of disease and promotion of health, D part है methods to stay well nourished. इसका आंसर है C part prevention of disease and promotion of health. Question number 59. As per the Association of Anaesthetists of Great Britain and Ireland 2001, the correct guidelines on fasting prior to surgery is A part है 12 hours for liquid diet, B part है 8 hours for breast milk, C part है 12 hours for solid food infant formula milk, D part है 2 hours for clear non-particulate non-carbonated fluids। इसका आंसर है D part। Question number 60. The vasectomy tray contains vasectomy tray and which of the following surgical instruments? A part है mirror, probes and drills, B part है distractor, mallet and lever, C part है articulator and chisel, D part है forceps, scissors and clamps। इसका आंसर है D part forceps, scissors and clamps। Question number 61. An acid produces H positive in solution and base produces OH negative. This statement is related to which of the following theories? A part है Bronsted-Lowry theory, B part है Bronsted theory, C part है Lewis theory, D part है Arrhenius theory। इसका आंसर है D part Arrhenius theory। Question number 62. The care plan for a patient who appears anxious due to anticipated surgery should involve A part है neglecting the concerns and questions and hiding accurate facts, B part है neglecting the verbal and non-verbal signs of anxiety of the patient, C part है maintaining a noisy environment in the hospital room, D part है encouraging the patient to express concerns and questions। इसका आंसर है D part encouraging the patient to express concerns and questions। Next question, question number 63. Jugular bipolar nerve holding tissue straight present in a vasectomy surgical tray are types of A part है clamps, B है forceps, C scissors, डी रिट्रैक्टर्स। तो इसका आंसर है बी पार्ट फोर्सिप्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64, which one of the following statements is true? A part, solid salts conduct electricity while liquid salts do not. B part, solid as well as liquid salts conduct electricity. C part, both solid as well as liquid salts do not conduct electricity. D part, solid salts do not conduct electricity while liquid salts do. So its answer is D part, solid salts do not conduct electricity while liquid salts do. Question number 65. The two scissors generally present in the thoracotomy surgical tray are: A part is stenectomy and Potts, B part curved and straight iris, C part long metzembam and Nelson, D part straight Mayo and metzembam. Its answer is C part. Question number 66. Sterility of a medical product can be described in terms of SAL, which stands for: A part is sterility accuracy level, B part sterilization acceptance level, C part sterility assurance level, D part sterility acceptance level. Its answer is C part, sterility assurance level. Question number 67. The two clamps generally used in the knee orthotomy tray are: A part curved pin and Kocher Lovelace, B part cartilage modified Martin and Leahy, C part curved Cryle and needle holders, D part towel clips and Foster sponge forceps. Its answer is B part cartilage modified Martin and Leahy. Question number 68. In the basic eye muscle procedure tray, the forceps used is: A part Castroviejo WH suturing forceps, B part Dandy forceps, C part Halstead forceps, D part Carmalt forceps. Its answer is A part Castroviejo WH suturing forceps. Question number 69. The protein energy malnutrition PEM primarily affects: A pregnant women, B adults, C small children, D geriatric people. Its answer is C part small children. Question number 70. Vitamin B6 is also referred to as: A riboflavin, B rutin, C part pyridoxine, D part thymine. Its answer is C part pyridoxine. Question number 71. Which among the following is a necessary action to prevent injury to nerves, joints and maintain skin integrity when positioning a patient? A part use of pillow is not recommended, B part removal of knots on gown ties to maintain smooth surfaces, C part removal of safety belts across the thighs, D part keep the bony prominences unpadded. Its answer is B part removal of knots on gown ties to maintain smooth surfaces. Question number 72. Which among the following is a metalloid? A part is arsenic, B copper, C gold, D cesium. Its answer is A part arsenic. Question number 73. The patient's body temperature in an operating room should be monitored to prevent complications associated with: A part is dehydration, B part is polydipsia, C part is hypothermia, D part is polyphagia. So its answer is C part hypothermia. Question number 74. Which among the following is not an essential dietary constituent? A part proteins, B carbohydrate, C glucose, D fats. इसका आंसर है C part glucose. Question number 75. A general surgery tray must possess which among the following surgical instruments? A part probes, B retractors and forceps, C part mirrors, D suction instruments. Its answer is B part retractors and forceps. Question number 76. Yanquer suckers are commonly employed for: A part deep wound suctioning, B part treating abscess and lesions, C part treating skin eruptions, D part superficial wound suctioning. Its answer is D part superficial wound suctioning. Question number 77. The important information documented in intraoperative record include information about: A part the licensed independent practitioner responsible for post anesthesia care, B part, the people who participated in the surgical procedure. C part, the patient's discharge criteria. D part, the complications involved in the surgery. So its answer is B part, the people who participate in the surgical procedure. Question number 78. Which among the following surgical instruments is a part of the basic orthopedic procedures tray? A part, Lazaro apparatus. B part, clamps and suction tubes. C part, cannula. D part, Jkssb hooks. Its answer is B part, clamps and suction tubes. Question number 79. In the pre-operative assessment of a patient to avoid medication errors, it is essential for the surgical team to ascertain the A part, identity of the patient. B part, socio-economic status of the patient. C part, patient's occupation. D part, patient's dietary pattern. Its answer is A part, identity of the patient. Question number 80. The thoracoscopy surgical tray consists of A part, genitourinary tray. B part, major instruments tray. C part, vascular tray. D part, non-vascular procedures tray. Its answer is B part, major instruments tray. Question number 81. The inflammation of thin membrane that lines the abdominal wall and covers the organs inside is called peritonitis. Name this thin membrane. A part is peristeum. B part, perineal. C part, peritoneum. D part, perineum. Its answer is C part, peritoneum. Question number 82. Additional trays, D and C trays, limited procedure trays are all required as a part of. A part is vaginal hysteroscopy tray. B part, pelvic laparoscopy tray. C part, hysteroscopy tray. D part, cesarean tray. Its answer is B part, pelvic laparoscopy tray. Question number 83. Which of these chemicals medicines should be included in a first aid kit? A part, deltazim. B part, insulin. C part, sulfonamide. D part, silver nitrate. Its answer is D part, silver nitrate. Question number 84. As per the Census Organization of India, crude birth rate is calculated as A part, number of live births during year divided by median population into 500. B part, number of live births during year divided by median population into 1000. C part, number of live births during year divided by median population plus 1000. D part, number of live births during year into median population divided by 1000. So its answer is B part, number of live births during year divided by median population into 1000. Question number 85. In the pediatric major procedure tray, pulley with sheath, Andrews with tip and Frasers are the names of A part, scissors. B part, forceps. C part, suction tubes. D part, clamps. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को गौर से देखोगे, आपने सीजर्स पढ़े हैं, फोर्सिप्स पढ़े हैं, क्लैंप्स पढ़े हैं. आप रूल ऑफ एलिमिनेशन इस्तेमाल करके सीजर्स को एलिमिनेट करके, फोर्सिप्स को एलिमिनेट करके, क्लैंप्स को एलिमिनेट करके सी पार्ट पे टिक मार सकते हो, क्योंकि सीजर्स, फोर्सिप्स और क्लैंप्स में आप लोगों ने ऐसे नाम नहीं सुने हैं. Question number 86. The self-retaining retractors that lock into position and hold wounds while grasping onto the tissue edges with curved prongs are named as. A part है Langenbeek retractor. B part है Balfour retractor. C part है Seine and Catspaw retractor. D part है Travers and Weight linear retractor. इसका आंसर है D part, Travers and weight linear retractor. Question number 87. Which one of the following is a uterine manipulator? A part है straight myo. B part है non-Velchev uterine mobilizer. C part है long metzambam. D part है Connor's maniprojector. इसका आंसर है D part, Connor maniprojector. Question number 88. Ricardson, Davier, Joliet, Dilly universally used in the cesarean section tray are names of different types of. A part, retractors. B, forceps. C, scissors. D, clamps. Its answer is A part, retractors. Question number 89. In CGS system of units, the length is measured in A part, foot. B, centimeter. C, millimeter. D, meter. Its answer is B part, centimeter. Question number 90. The surgical trays should be perforated to allow penetration of A. Sterilizing agent, B part soap solution, C part laminar air, D part disinfectant. Its answer is A part sterilizing agent. Question number 91. The colorless material of a cell, which includes nucleus, cytoplasm and other organelles, is called A part mitochondria, B enzyme, C protoplasm, D plasma. Its answer is C part protoplasm. Question number 92. Disinfection ensures killing of the growing forms but not necessarily the A part algae, B parasites, C part bacterial spores, D part protozoa. Its answer is C part bacterial spores. Question number 93. OSHA recommends biologically engineered shops or needleless systems which offer safety protection. This includes A part syringes with a sliding sheath that shields needles after use, B part pre-filled syringes made of synthetic materials, C part a regular jet injection system with needles, D part needles that do not retract back into the syringe after use. इसका आंसर है A part syringes with a sliding sheath that shields needles after use. Question number 94. Addison and Addison Brown used in the minor orthopedic procedure trays are the names of A part retractors, B scissors, C part forceps, D clamps. Its answer is C part forceps. Question number 95. The surgical instruments oblique trays having possibility of moisture problem should be equipped with A part absorbent tray liners, B part cloth, C part cotton, D part adsorbing agents. Its answer is A part absorbent tray liners. Question number 96. Which one of the following does not fall under the intraoperative phase of nursing? A part the period of time when a patient is admitted to PACU, B part transferring the patient to the operating room table, C part the time period when anesthesia is administered to the patient, D part the post-surgical care of the patient. Its answer is D part the post-surgical care of the patient. Question number 97. Which one of the following surgical instruments present in all orthopedic trays is an instrument used for cutting bones? Its answer is C part osteotome. Bone mallet is not answer, reverse is not answer, femoral head extractor is not answer. Question number 98. The nucleus of a cell contains A part ribosomes, B Golgi apparatus, C endoplasmic reticulum, D chromosomes. Its answer is D part chromosomes. Question number 99. Which one of the following activities can be categorized under the post-operative phase of nursing? A part the period of time when diagnostic testing is performed on patient before admission to the hospital. B part the period of time when a patient is transferred to the operating room table. C part the period of time that begins with the admission of patient to PACU and follow-up evaluation at home. D part the period of time when a patient is admitted to the post-anesthesia care unit. Its answer is C part the period of time that begins with the admission of patient to PACU and follow-up evaluation at home. Question number 100. Which one of the following is a chemical liquid used in the operation room that can have harmful effects on skin of operating room personnel? A part isopropyl alcohol, B part parasitic acid, C part ethanol, D part propylene glycol. इसका आंसर है बी पार्ट पैरासिटिक एसिड. सो आज हमने इस पेपर के और 50 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट किए. इसमें सिर्फ 50 क्वेश्चंस रह जाते हैं जो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंप्लीट करेंगे. मेरी आप लोगों से यही रिक्वेस्ट है, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड लाइक दिस वीडियोस, प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट जब भी कोई वीडियो अपलोड होता है तो आप लोग नोटिफाई हो जाओगे.